Hi guys, I'm Mark.
I'm Penny.
And we're the Oyster Boys, and today...
We're making pizza.
We are making pizza, yeah, so we're going to do mine first.
You're first. So you've got a KFC pizza. So maybe what would be good if you make the dough, start the rolling, and then I'll just ask you questions where the inspirations come from and where we're going to put the gravy, where we're going to put the potato mash.
Yeah, sure, absolutely. Let's go for it, yeah. So,
okay, so take me through it whilst you're making this. If you're ordering a KFC, what's your go-to order?
I mean, I'm all about the boneless, mate. All about the boneless. It's good. I mean, at the moment, they've got a great offer on. 10 of the chicken mini fillets for $7.99. What a winner.
Yeah, that's your lunch sorted.
Yeah. Yeah. I love gravy as well. Mash don't normally go for, but I was thinking, well, I'm going to have a bit on a pizza. I want something a bit different, you know, I want something a bit more fun. And my favourite food in the whole world is pizza. I could eat pizza every single day. Never get enough pizza, but I love KFC as well. So I wanted to combine the two.
Okay, so it's not a tomato base, it's not a barbecue base, it's a KFC gravy base.
KFC gravy base. So we're going, pizza dough.
And are you thinking that the gravy's gonna, hold its own? It's not gonna be too liquidy or anything like that? Obviously, we go for the Neapolitan style pizza, so it's quite a thin base.
Yeah, I mean, at this point, mate, I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out.
Okay.
We're gonna give it a go. We're gonna see what happens. This is obviously frozen pizza dough.
Yeah, we've done a video on that before, so down in the link.
Yeah, so frozen pizza dough and KFC chicken.
Okay, so just to talk you through everyone that's going on, we've got in one bowl, so basically it's the boneless, the chicken fillets.
Yeah.
So you cut them up into slices, and the other one we obviously got just the mozzarella cut up. We got the tub of gravy.
Yeah.
And we got a tub of the mashed potato.
Yeah.
So what's your thoughts of the mashed potato? How are we going to incorporate that?
I'm just going to dollop some mash on top. So I think it's a gravy base to replace the tomato sauce that most people would normally have on a pizza.
Yes.
And then it's going to be scatter your chicken on.
Yeah. And
at that point then distribute some cheese and some mash.
Mashed potato, okay.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
And I think it's going to turn out to be,
Do you think the Colonel might be contacting you going, hello?
Well, I'm hoping that maybe KFC might look at this and think, wow, this is a guy we need to sponsor here. We need something going on. Well, absolutely. Yeah. This is very, like I say, always with this dough, such a really good, strong
pizza
dough.
And if you've not watched that video, you need to check this out. I mean, you've seen how strong that dough is.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go.
Have
you let it cool down on purpose so it gives it a bit more structure?
Yeah, I mean, you don't want to, when you're doing a pizza like this, you don't want to put warm things onto your base.
So you've let it cool down, give that basically that sauce, so it's almost a little bit like jelly because of that fat that's in it.
It's like, when you get a really thick stock.
Yeah.
It's kind of like that. So we'll get, I reckon, 1 spoon of that, maybe 1.5. We're gonna absolutely just spread that around. Look, who needs tomatoes when
you've got
KFC gravy, mate? I reckon you've got to try this, and this is going to be a game changer.
It's going to blow my mind.
Yeah, I think it will. So I'll pop that on there.
And have you had a KFC pizza before?
I don't know if anyone.
I can see this. You sitting in your car or sitting in KFC.
Who's sitting in the car eating a KFC pizza?
Well, I don't know. You're sitting somewhere, and then you've obviously thinking about what you're going to have for your tea, and then light bulb's gone off, and it's been.
The gravy smells good, doesn't it?
It does. It does.
Let's get a bit of cheese on there.
Nice. So this is just your standard mozzarella. It's not like a peppered one or anything.
No, this is like I think this one's the Galbani one, which picked up from Waitrose.
It's less moisture and stuff like that.
Yeah. It's a bit drier. And then we'll get some chicken on there.
So you've let the chicken cool down as well.
Again, everything's cool. It's going to
be reheated once it goes in the oven because
Yeah. I think that's plenty, to be honest.
So it was about 3.
That was this was
not sections, but
this
3.
was three mini fillets, and there's a little bit sort of like left over at the bottom. And then, I mean, the mash.
This is the bit I'm the most nervous about.
Do we need the mash?
Oh, we've got to give the mash. You've got it now, yeah.
But I mean, the scientists, they spend so long thinking about whether or not they could. They didn't stop to think.
Should be.
Whether or not they should. so we'll get a bit of the mash on. Oh, this mash feels very solid. Let's just do some little, If I was really going to go for this, I'd probably get it in a piping bag and I'd squeeze it on a few places around. I think this massive...
Mate, no one is buying KFC, getting the KFC mash from the tub, putting it in a piping basket and making nice little bits.
Why not?
Come on, it ruins the effect. You know, KFC is a rustic, you know, it's a drive-by meal, isn't it? It's not, you know, getting a piping bag and making it look pretty.
That's true. Right. So I think that looks...
Okay.
like an absolute delight. Do you?
Yeah. So we're going to switch to a mark cam.
First, the FPV.
Yeah. And let's see how this works out, yeah?
We'll get it in the oven right. Okay, so... Oh, the sun is up.
Turn that off then.
You what, sorry?
You turn it off.
I'll turn it right down.
Ah, okay.
Do you reckon that looks ready to you?
Yeah.
Sorry, mate, I'll bring it on this.
Okay.
There we go. Turn that up now. I'm ready for the next one.
Yep. Okay.
Take it in.
So you brought this, I mean, the smell that's coming off it, it smells of chicken nuggets and gravy. And don't take this offence, because I always used to look forward when I was a kid. It's like when you're a kid and you can smell that cafeteria and it's a Friday and you go, oh, it's chicken nuggets and gravy day.
Yeah.
Which I'm really looking forward to. So,
right, let's get this cut up and we will see what it's like. Obviously there's mash on there, there's chicken on there, there's gravy on there.
Let's get a slice where we've got everything on.
Right, okay, so let's just go. There you go, mate. I mean, take yourself a slice there.
Well, I'm going to go for this one here because there's lots of mash, lots of gravy, lots of chicken.
Yeah. I'm going to go for this one here as well.
Yeah.
Similar. Let's absolutely dive in on this and see what it's like. Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers. Cheers. Oh.
Oh.
It's pretty good pizza, that, isn't it?
Oh, like the flavours. You get that. The kernel will be proud.
Yeah. Oh. So you were not a believer. You were not a believer on this, were you?
And the mash works really well.
Yeah.
Especially when you get a bit of that, like that chicken mash gravy.
It's quite salty. Something I would say.
You've got a bit of gravy left over.
Dip it in.
Oh.
It's pretty good, that, isn't it?
I think there's a lot of people looking at that going, what? I'm very jealous.
Yeah, I mean, look, we've got a whole one of these we need to eat. This is wildly good. Wildly good.
And the gravy base.
Oh, okay.
Because I was a bit conscious when you put it on, I thought, is that enough gravy? You don't want too much, you don't want to be too salty.
Yeah.
But, nice cheeky pint.
Oh. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, this is that.